just got up around an hour and a half ago, and I was planning on getting up earlier, but I was pretty tired, so just let myself sleep in there a little bit. Today I'm going to be sharing with you a productive morning in my life. It's kind of like a morning routine, but I don't want to say that necessarily because my mornings depend on the day. Today is a Saturday, and while that might be a weekend and a day off to most of you, I actually work generally like Thursday through Tuesday. Today I'm working from 2 to 6. I kind of had the opportunity to have a productive morning, and I got up at 9, even though that's not like that early, to make sure that I was like getting all my stuff done, because I do have a to-do list for the morning. So that's like my first thing that I always have to do. So either the night before or the morning of, I will plan out my to-do list on my computer generally, because that's what I'm on. And then in the morning I will sit down at my desk or wherever and just write it down in my planner. This is the day designer. Inside it just has the monthly view, but then it also has, it's like a day to day, so it looks like this. So this morning routine or whatever kind of changes based on when I'm working. So lately I've been working more in the afternoons, either 2 to 6 or 2 to 8. But when I work in the morning from like 9 to 2 or 9:30 to 2, I just don't do all this. I pretty much just wake up, have breakfast, get ready and go. I don't know, I like working afternoons because I have this prolonged morning that I can use to be productive, but I don't always have the opportunity to do this. So not everyone has like endless summer days to like just be productive all the time and get all this work done. Like I actually like kind of having a time crunch because it forces me to get up. I didn't want to get up this morning, but I was like, you have so much to do in like 3 hours. So I'm going to get started by cleaning out my room, and then we can go from there on filming that video. But if you guys aren't subscribed yet, subscribe down below. I make lifestyle and college videos, and I'm really trying to up my uploading game, so subscribe to be notified. I love watching videos when I clean, especially like productive videos. This is Danielle Carolyn, one of my faves, so just have it on in the background while I do some work. Ponytail, which means it was a good room clean. I also am now going to plan out my video. It's a video all about, I think it'll be up actually after this, but it's a video all about like how to plan your dorm room and how to like make sure that you're utilizing your space, how to make it feel homey. It's kind of like a comprehensive guide, deeper than like dorm essentials, which I'm also doing next week, I think. This one's more like how to plan your dorm, and it's more for the people who want to do like an aesthetic and kind of like a look to their room and like have a theme, and even if you want to coordinate with your roommate. If you guys have seen my dorm tour, which I will link up in the cards, a lot of people have been loving it, which makes me really happy because I loved doing that video. A lot of people commented, they were like, how'd you do this? How'd you know? So I really want to share those tips with you guys. So I'm going to plan out that and make sure that I have it all good. The room's now clean, she looks beautiful, and then I'm gonna get ready and film it. Video looks like, at least for me. I just kind of have all the steps in the video, and then down at the bottom, if I have any ideas for how to edit it, this is not always how it happens, but I just kind of have some thoughts here about the intro or any kind of overlays I want to do, so I just keep that down there so I don't forget it, because editing is a little confusing sometimes. I'm gonna do my makeup real quickly. I just got more of my Stay Matte powder. I couldn't find this the other day. I've been using this CoverGirl one. It's the Clean Matte powder. It's in this blue packaging. Let me just forewarn you, it sucks. So, don't recommend. Forever loyal to this Rimmel stuff. I've had this for like 6 years. Alright, I'm about to film. This is my very glam look. basically this is all you can see from here to here. So I'm still wearing my sweatpants. By the way, I got these yesterday from TJ Maxx. I'm obsessed with them. They were $20 and they say Calvin Klein down the side, and they're this mauvey pink, mauve, whatever. Totally matches my watch, which is just very on brand. And I'm just picturing them with like a loose tee, like white tee with those shoes. Look, yes, cannot wait to wear that. Looks super cute, stunting in the library. But yeah, this top is from American Eagle. I love it. It's so comfy. It's got this kind of like, it's like tight up top and then flares, so it's really flattering, but it's still like a fun little going out top or whatever. I like the straight neckline for on camera. I just finished filming that video and I am so out of breath. My mouth hurts from talking that much. I haven't done a sit down video in 5 ever. I was filming literally distance from bed to there, like that far away, so I hope you can see me. We'll see in post. I filmed actually all on this camera just because it's so much easier. It's charged. I know how to work it. Like, I'm just not in the mood for the big camera today. And I've never filmed a not main channel, as if I have a vlog channel. I've never filmed like a sit down video on this camera, so hopefully it all looks good. We'll find out, I'm sure. Right now I'm just going to import all the footage to my hard drive and throw it into a Final Cut Pro timeline. Might get some coffee and start editing it. That might be a bit pushing it, we'll see. I've just grabbed my second cup of coffee, which will serve me for editing for the next 30 minutes and then also for getting ready for work. But I really like in videos when people actually show what they're working on and it's just saying I'm doing work, because that's like the biggest term ever. So I just downloaded all of the transitions, not all of them, but a ton of free transitions that I had before on my other computer, and I'm about to download like the 2 fonts that I use a ton lately. I highly recommend that one. It looks like this. I'll show you on the screen. I just downloaded all of the transitions and I'm actually obsessed with them. I'm just looking at this one here that I really like. Where is it? This one here looks so dope. It like is like a glitch transition, so I think I'll be using that. And then like, look at this title I found. This is all from Ryan Nangle. I can link him down below. He is awesome. These ones that I downloaded were all free, which is great. Here's what the title looks like. It's like all glitchy and it like goes in and out, and I'm obsessed with that like glitchy look at the moment. After I download this font, I'm going to just color grade. All the professionals use adjustment layers, which is basically like a filter that you're creating. And it's a lot easier when it's like a sit down video like this where you can just cut like all the lighting's the same and stuff like that. But I just go in, I drag in color board, and then I adjust the levels of everything. It's all fun, but I've been watching a lot of videos on it lately. I've been trying to up my game, and then I think I'm gonna start on the rough cut, but I'm definitely not gonna finish before I have to go. Alright guys, so I am ready for work. This is what I'm wearing. It's nothing like too crazy. Have my hair up in the same ponytail, same earrings as before. They're from Forever 21. I got them in a pack of 3. I love them. They're like this black and white marble. They look so cute on, and I like how they're smaller. Then I'm wearing my gold star necklace from my FabFitFun box. It's originally from Jennifer Zuner. And then this top is from Target. It looks way more sheer on camera than it is in real life, I promise, but it's just super cute and easy to wear. Then I'm wearing my American Eagle black jeans and my Steve Madden little platform shoes that are comfy but still work appropriate, which is ideal. But I'm actually about to head off to work right now, so that is the end of this video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed. If you're new, subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!